Susie, today we're looking at vacancy rates in the rental market. What are some of the main reasons properties remain vacant?
There are four main reasons why properties do remain vacant. One is the actual market itself. Two is price. Three is location. And four is the actual property itself in terms of presentation or the floor plan or the facilities it offers the rental market.
How does the rental market affect vacancy rates?
The rental market is very seasonal. Predominantly our peak seasons are through October through to sort of May. People in the winter months don't like to move, so we do find it's a naturally cyclic time of the year to move is sort of through that October through to March.
Mm-hmm. You mentioned rental rates. How are these determined?
Rental rates are predominantly determined by the market and also by tenants. We do as agents monitor the market a lot, so we're making sure we're actually giving our investors the best return we can for their investment property, but it is the market and the tenants.
Why do landlords make their rental rates so high?
Look, landlords always want the best return on their investment property, but the problem we have with that is that if the rents do remain too high for too long, that obviously leads to long-term vacancies, which obviously affects the income that the property generates. So we do say to our clients that we'll test the market at a certain price, certainly for a couple of weeks, but if we don't get a successful outcome, we will look at a price reduction.
What can landlords do to improve the overall presentation of the property?
It is very important to actually maintain and improve the presentation of a rental property. We always recommend to our landlords that they think of it like owning a car. They should actually sort of look at improving the property every 5 to 8 years. When we say improvements, we're talking about improving carpets, painting throughout, fixtures, fittings, appliances, that sort of thing. It's all about capital gain. It's all about the rental return and capital gain for your investment property.
How does location affect vacancy rates?
Location is actually quite important to the rental market. Tenants like convenience of a good location, so they like to be close to their work, they like to be close to schools for the children, shopping centres, bus stops, that sort of thing. Properties that are next to cemeteries and on busy main roads generally take a little bit longer to rent out than properties that are in premium locations.
Any final advice you can offer landlords to reduce their risk of their properties remaining vacant?
It's all about price at the end of the day. We always say to our landlords we'll certainly try to maximise their return by getting the best price that the market has available to them. So at the end of the day, it's all about price.
Thank you, Susie. Some sound advice.